Young Minds Matter provides specialist mental health and emotional wellbeing support for a range of difficulties such as anxiety, depression, eating disorders and trauma. We provide a number of different therapies and approaches to help you with your needs. You may be invited to join a group or be seen one-to-one with a worker.
Most appointments take place at Freshney Green Primary Care Centre. When you enter the building, head up the stairs on your right and you'll find us to the left. Alternatively, use the lift by the stairs and turn left to Young Minds Matter when you exit. Let reception know you're here for your appointment and take a seat. Someone will come through to collect you and take you to your appointment.
Your first appointment is an opportunity for us to ask questions and for you to tell us a bit about yourself and any difficulties that you may be facing so that we can see where's best that we can help you. There will be some forms that you need to fill out before the appointment that will be sent to you. For part of the appointment, you will be seen with a carer or carer, and we will allow some time to speak to the children or young person alone.
At Young Minds Matter, we offer a wide range of therapies to help people with their mental health and to meet their goals. Different therapies are offered depending on what your assessed needs are, and any help we give is based on individual needs. So often therapy will involve completing different tasks at home and then coming back in and telling us how it's gone. We regularly review how the therapy is going and we can change it to meet your needs.
One of the successful ways in which we are able to help people is through the groups which we are able to offer. These also take place at Freshney Green Primary Care Centre.
First experience was scary, but it's a hurdle you kind of have to step over to get the help because it's always going to be scary, so you may as well just take the jump and do it. The support was really just comforting, and everyone made me feel so welcome and comfortable, and there was never a point where I felt judged or anything like that. It was more casual than I thought it would be, if that makes sense. I thought it would be more pressure and serious, but it was so casual. It was just you were with your friends. Since being here and having all the help, I feel so much more confident. I feel so much happier and just free. For someone who didn't know what to do and they wanted help, I would just say to do it, because you're never going to feel like you're ready to do it. So if you're thinking about it, you clearly need the help, so you may as well just go and get it.
Young Minds helped Izzy more than I think they know. As a family, it was hard to watch her go through what she went through. But with the support from Young Minds, I can't thank them enough for what they did for her. They gave her a life back. Without Young Minds, Izzy's life would be completely different. Young Minds gave me the confidence to be able to challenge Izzy when she needed challenging. Whereas before, I probably would have just been, okay, if you don't want to eat, that's fine, we'll leave that. Whereas Young Minds gave me the confidence to know what her coping mechanisms were that she was given, so that I could then help encourage her on the days when she wasn't with therapy, and also to identify when she was really struggling and maybe needed to call the crisis team or something like that. So it had a huge impact on us all, not just me, the wider family as well. Mental health is seen in society as a taboo subject, and it's not. You need to be willing to talk about it. And I think the more you talk about it outside of therapy, the more you realise there are other people out there struggling with different things. Any parent that thinks that their child needs some support with their mental health, regardless what the mental health condition is, knock on every door until you get that help that you need. Don't give up. There are some barriers out there. Just keep going. Show that you're there to fight for them, because you are the initial person. If you don't fight for them and show them what they're going through is validated, then just go get the help and embrace it. Don't be scared. Talk about it. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Everybody needs help at some point in their life. And if you show your young person now that it's good to reach out, then it will also help them for future events in their life.
If you are struggling with your mental health, the first step to get help is to talk to a trusted adult. This might be a teacher or doctor, for example. They will need to know information around the difficulties you are having. They will make a referral for you into mental health services, such as Young Minds Matter.
If Young Minds Matter aren't the right service for you, we will try and put you in touch with a service that is suitable. So don't worry if you are referred on to another service.
You can find a range of useful information on lots of topics, including anxiety, bullying, self-harm and suicidal thoughts on the Navigo Hub. Search Navigo Hub on your web browser or visit Get Help on the Navigo website.
To find out more, visit www.navigocare.co.uk. You can contact the service by calling 01472 252570.
If you are in a mental health crisis and need urgent help, you can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m, Monday to Friday. You can call the Young Minds Matter team on 01472 252 570. Outside these hours, call the single point of access on 01472 256 256 and select option 3. Alternatively, you can call NHS 111 free from a landline or mobile phone. If you're in immediate physical danger, call 999.
Don't want to talk on the phone? You can text Orange to 85258 any time of the day or night for support via text through the Shout service.